Hello and welcome everyone to our Instagram live event. The topic of today's event is the hidden but biggest issue of crypto. Thank you for coming. I like to introduce myself. My name is Paul Arsov and I'm the founder of the Decentralized Web project. Before starting this event, I'd like to tell you a little bit of our project. We're building a decentralized communication and advertising platform. Basically, this is a decentralization software engine. When people are talking, by people I mean marketers, investors, someone who is involved into the space of cryptocurrency, blockchain technology, and Web3. When we're talking about decentralization, most of the times people think of blockchain technology. They think that blockchain technology is the next generation of internet, and it is a driver of decentralization. I'm a technology developer myself, and I can see that it is very, very wrong. Blockchain technology is a step towards decentralization, but it is not real decentralization. It is not real next generation of internet. But what is actually decentralization, and how do we achieve next generation of internet? In our project, our implementation of decentralization allows direct communication from user to user, and this is actually the essence of decentralization: direct communication from user to user without going through servers. Any other projects which they have a website and you have to access their flavor of decentralization through a website, through a token, or through a coin, or through a blockchain technology, they get it very, very wrong. But this thing is going to become clear in the future, and now the predominant thinking is anything crypto, anything blockchain is Web3. It is this decentralization, but it is not. And so, like in our project, we're clarifying this. We're inviting people to come and become followers in the social networks that we're posting on. And events like this, they're revealing specific things about the technology, about blockchains, about crypto, about decentralization, and next generation of internet. So to make it interesting for people who come to our project, we're organizing events like this, and usually on Saturdays we have an event which happens on Twitter Space. On Sundays, just like today, the same topic of the event is happening on Instagram Live. Usually we start on Saturday on the talking about the topic, and on Sundays we're expanding, like we're repeating some of the things I said on the event on Saturday, and then we're expanding into some new things which have not been mentioned on the previous day. So we started these educational events about maybe 3 months ago, and the topic of the very first event, which happened only on Twitter Space, was what is blockchain. The topic of this following event the next week was what is a smart contract. And this event happened on both Twitter Space and Instagram Live. And some of the topics of the following events during the weeks and the months we have been having these events on both Twitter Space and Instagram Live. Some of the topics were applying astrology into cryptocurrency trading. This was a fun topic and fun event. Central bank digital currency versus ordinary crypto confrontation is looming. Analyzing big crashes in crypto, Terra Luna, FTX, and Celsius. Like Web3 or Web5, different visions and implementations. Decentralization engines, blockchains as a decentralization engine, and other decentralization engine implementations. In the end of 2022, we had 2022 review in crypto, and in the first week of 2023 we had an event of predictions for crypto in 2023. So to make it interesting for our community, we're organizing regularly these weekly events, and the topic of the next week event, which I want to announce before actually talking about the topic of today. The topic of the next event is tokens everywhere, real, significant, and hyped, crappy. So it is going to be talking about tokenizing and cryptocurrency tokens. But so like I did mention, the events that we're organizing on Saturdays on Twitter Space and Sundays on Instagram Live. But we have actually two regular events which are happening on Thursdays. 1 week we have an event which is Ask Me Anything session with me and other people of our community, and we're answering questions on Web3, decentralization, crypto, and etc. And in the following week, we have a demo day event, which we demonstrate what we have in with our software decentralization engine, and actually we have a lot to show. Many other projects they have very little to show. Essentially they have a token and coin, and so it's about all about movement of the price of the coin or the token. But our project, actually we have a blockchain instance and cryptocurrency token, but the interesting thing is the software decentralization engine. And like the very new thing that we have is we are working on the technical side of an NFT collection, which is going to be very, very advanced. By very advanced, I mean like can you imagine an NFT which is like a three-dimensional object, and this three-dimensional object is animated. It keeps moving constantly by itself. It is interactive. You can click and then move it like left, right, up, down, and you can zoom it in and out. And in addition to this, this three-dimensional object, it has a voice. It can speak to you, and it also is going to respond to commands. Like you can command it to stop moving and then start moving again, and you can command it issue um, command to stop speaking, start speaking, change the voice, and like essentially you have a very very advanced NFT, which is going to have actually a basic artificial intelligence. Wow. So to see our achievements, I'm inviting you to come to the event which is going to happen on the very next Thursday, and we're going to demonstrate the actual upcoming capability of our NFT collection. In addition to the software decentralization engine that we did release software for users and for network nodes and bridges. So I was talking about the event which is happening on Thursdays. One Thursday is Ask Me Anything session. The next Thursday is a demo day. And I like to tell you that these events, they're happening simultaneously on Telegram in text, and they happen also on Google Meet in video and audio, and on Twitter Space in audio only. So people joining these events, they can, for example, type a question for Ask Me Anything session in Telegram, or they can join Google Meet and ask this question in voice, or they can join the Twitter Space channel and ask a question in voice as well. So like all these events on Thursdays, Saturdays and Sundays, we're organizing to make it interesting for our community. Like we're building a community, and we're inviting people to come and join our community. So we're posting on a very long list of social networks, and like every Sunday, like we're making a list of the events for the following week, and on Sundays we're scheduling these posts on the social networks to be posted during the week. And like the list of the social networks that we're posting on includes Instagram, it includes Facebook, Twitter, Telegram, TikTok, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Discord, and Reddit. This is a very long list of social networks, but we're focusing mainly on Instagram, Twitter, and Telegram. Come and join our social networks. You can find the specific social networks on our website, which is Decentralized Web. These are two words which were placed together, decentralizedweb.com. .org. And like on the bottom of every page of our website, you can see the icons of the social networks that we're posting on, and you can click on one of your favorite social networks and then join a specific social network. But enough talking about our project. Let's start talking about the topic of the event. And the topic of the event is the hidden but biggest issue of crypto. So during my talk, if you join this Instagram Live event, you can type a question or comment on like the chat section of this event, and then I can look at the question or comment, and then if it's a question, I can respond to this question, or I can like thank you for posting your comment about this event which is happening live. And like if I have to answer in short what is the hidden but biggest issue of crypto, I believe the hidden but biggest issue of crypto is that it creates a virtual value. I'm going to expand during my talk, but what I mean by virtual. By virtual I mean that it is not real, not physical, and not tangible. But why? Why do I think crypto is not real, not tangible, or like it is not real? Um, like I think it is very easy for many projects. They can go to one of the smart contract capable blockchains, and they can um, deploy a smart contract with for fungible tokens, and they can create a certain amount of fungible tokens. And like many projects, basically the majority of the crypto projects, they did create tokens in one of the smart contract capable blockchains, be it Ethereum, be it Binance Smart Chain, be it Polygon, or other smart contract capable blockchains like, for example, Solana. It is very easy for a project to create tokens, and they have a very large supply of tokens. It is very easy for a project to promise interest on staking of their token, so that people who bought the token, they do not sell it immediately, and they do not sell it when the price of the spot market price, when the token is traded, it does increase. But so if we look deeper at this type of crypto projects which are like issuing tokens, like the hidden but biggest issue is like no one of these projects can meet a selling pressure, like be it a small project or be it a very large project like FTX or Terra Luna or Celsius for this matter. Like even the biggest projects, they cannot meet selling pressure of their token. Like basically the promise of like the token which is staked and generates interest. This token cannot meet pressure when people start selling this token, uh, like even a small group. Like even a small group starts selling a specific token, like the specific token is almost certainly bound to crash. And so like this is one of the things which makes like a hidden issue of creating a virtual value of the token. Um, like if we do a comparisons, like essentially the crypto market, it started with Bitcoin, with a coin which made the claim that they're an alternative currency, and they're going to be used as a worldwide currency, and they're going to replace national currencies. But what happened with Bitcoin and all the other cryptocurrencies? Essentially, they became some sort of stock, like something similar to a stock, which is which have been trading on the ordinary stock market. Like essentially, we have stocks of Apple, of Tesla, of Facebook, Google, and etc., which are traded on, for example, Nasdaq or New York Stock Exchange, or other exchanges as well. And so, like, if we compare the ordinary stock market with the crypto market, essentially they behave the same way. Basically, we have centralized crypto exchanges which allow trading of coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum, or tokens like USDT or USDC. And basically, these coins or tokens, they behave like stocks in the stock market. They did not replace national currency, and their competition for national currency and governments, banks, and central banks, in specifically, they strongly dislike the crypto the crypto market and cryptocurrencies, and they're in the process of creating their own central bank digital currencies. Some of them countries which are creating this can take the example of China, which was the first country which created a central bank digital currency, and they seeded this central bank digital currency, so that currently they have several hundred millions of users of their central bank digital currency. One of the first steps of which China took is they did prohibit mining of cryptocurrency on the territory of China. In addition to this, this ban of crypto mining was followed with ban in trading of cryptocurrencies, and so like currently national citizens of China officially they cannot trade in cryptocurrency. I believe some of citizens of China, they like they still have accounts and they still do trading of cryptocurrency, but currently it is illegal, and early or late they may get actually in trouble with the authorities in China. So I mentioned this that because China was the first country which created their central bank digital currency, and they serve as an example for other countries which are creating their own central bank digital currency. We have the announcement of the United States, which is a very big, like very big economy and very big financial market, and we have the announcement of the European Central Bank of creating their own central bank digital currency as well. So we are going to see which are going to be the steps after the actual release of the central bank digital currency for the US and for Europe. And like some countries, like for example Nigeria, or which is a very big economy in specifically in Africa, and in Egypt as well, they already did release their central bank digital currency. I believe India is working also. India as a very, very large population country, they're also working on their central bank digital currency. Essentially, we have big economies and like very large population countries which did already adopt, or they're very soon they're going to release their central bank digital currency. And in one of my presentations, I'm talking about the confrontation which is looming, and so like what could happen between central bank digital currency and the ordinary crypto. Well, I did make a comparisons between the ordinary stock market and the crypto market. So like people who are entering the ordinary crypto market, they're essentially registering on one of the ordinary stock exchanges, and then they're transferring certain amount of fiat currency on their account with a specific stock exchange. Then they can buy a specific stock, be it, for example, Apple or Tesla or Google or Facebook, Meta, or any other company which is listed in the ordinary stock market. So after buying, they can hold this stock, and then they can sell this stock and get back fiat currency in their account. They can also transfer this fiat currency from their account in the ordinary stock exchange back to their bank account. So this is a way of a person who is trading on the stock market, like the full cycle in trading on the ordinary stock market. Let's look at the trading in the in the crypto market. And the trading in the crypto market starts with people registering, for example, in a centralized crypto exchange, or downloading the like a browser extension called MetaMask, and then they have the capability to participate in a decentralized exchange. But the majority of people, they actually join centralized crypto exchanges, and let's look at the way people, the cycle people behave in ordinary crypto exchange. Like after registration in like centralized crypto exchange, people are transferring fiat currency to their like account in the ordinary centralized exchange, and like after they transfer this fiat currency, they're usually getting stable coins amount, the equivalent in stable coins amount of like for example US dollars, usually like US dollar stable coins. Basically, people can transfer either US dollars or their own national currency, and this transfer is usually converted to stable coins, and usually this is US dollar based stable coins, stable coin like USDT, which is issued by Tether, or USDC, which is issued by Circle. And like following this, people can use these stable coin amounts that they have further into with buying of, for example, coin like Bitcoin or Ethereum, or buying some tokens or other coins like Litecoin or Dogecoin or Ripple or Solana or any other token or coin. And like after buying these tokens or coins, they can sell these tokens and coins, and then at the point of selling, they usually get stable coins. Then they can like use their stable coins to buy another coin. They can hold it, and then they can sell it again. So the cycle of trading into the cryptocurrency is supposed to end with people like selling their like for example Bitcoins or Ethereums, getting stable coins, and following this with like withdrawing and transferring from like stable coins to fiat currency. But currently very few people they do transfer back from like stable coins to fiat currency. Most of the people who do their trading into the crypto market, they keep they keep either like ordinary crypto coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other tokens and coins, or they keep like stable coins like USDT or USDC. So like why do I mention that most of the people they keep their proceedings either in still in crypto or in stable coins? So I mentioned this because there is a big discrepancy between the amount of fiat currency collected and the crypto coins and tokens and the holdings of people, which people are collected, which are like they're calculated in stable coins. So if we look at Bitcoin, for example, we know that the maximum amount of coins which could be created by Bitcoin is around 21 million Bitcoins. And currently there maybe some a little more than 20 million Bitcoins created. And let's say the current spot market for Bitcoin is 25,000 US dollars. If we multiply $25,000 for one Bitcoin by 20 million Bitcoins which have been created, we have 500 billion stable coin dollars, which is the market capitalization of Bitcoins. And this is the amount which is held by Bitcoin owners, the essential amount held in Bitcoin coins. So if we multiply the price, the spot price of market price of Ethereum, for example, to the current amount of Ethereum coins created, we have the market capitalization of Ethereum as well. And so if we multiply the spot price of other tokens and coins by the total amount of tokens and coins which have been released, and we add all these amounts, then we are going to have the market capitalization of the total market capitalization of the crypto market. And the total market capitalization in the very low days of the crash of the crypto market could have been about $1 trillion. And these $1 trillion are not fiat dollars, but stablecoin dollars. And during the good times of the crypto market, when we had a bull market and the price of crypto kept going up and up, then we are going to have maybe some number between 2.5 to maybe $4 trillion. But I repeat that these dollars are stablecoin dollars and not fiat or national currency, fiat dollars or other national currencies. So, as I mentioned, people who enter the crypto market, they enter the crypto market with their national currency, with their fiat currency. And so let's look closer what happens with the fiat currency, which is collected either by the stablecoin issuer, be it Circle, which is issuer of USDC, or be it Tether, which is issuer of USDT, or be it Binance, which is the largest centralized crypto exchange, or the other crypto exchanges as well. So if we are looking at the fiat currency which is collected by Binance, Tether, Circle or all the others, we can see that this fiat currency is then placed into banks. And further, this fiat currency is used for purchasing of government treasury bonds, like for example US government treasury bond. By the claims of Circle, for example, they have about 85% of the total amount of fiat currency they have collected, which is estimated to be maybe 20 to 50 billion dollars. So according to their official claim, they have 85% of this fiat currency they have collected from people entering the crypto market in exchange for USDC. They have 85% converted in US treasury bonds. And if we look further, we see that US treasury bonds, they have maturity term between 1 month to 1 year. So what does this mean? So why we're looking at Circle and stable coins and treasuries? So it means that the stablecoin issuers and centralized exchanges, they have been collecting fiat currency, and if we do an estimation of the total amount of fiat currency which have been collected, we can see that the total amount of fiat currency, which includes US dollars, it includes euros, it includes UK pounds, it includes Japanese yens, and many other national currencies. The total equivalent amount is less than $100 billion. And this $100 billion, it includes it is equivalent price in US dollars. So the total amount collected in US dollars is smaller, and then we're adding the equivalent amount in euros recalculated in dollars, and we're adding this the amount of in Japanese yens, UK pounds, and other national currencies. So we have the total amount recalculated, which is less than $100 billion. And the topic of today's event, the biggest issue that I mentioned is creating a virtual value. And the virtual value being not real, not tangible, and not physical. So the meaning virtual is exactly this, the big discrepancy between the value estimated in stable coins, which varies between 1 to maybe 2.5 or more trillions of stable coin dollars, and the total amount of national currencies, which is the equivalent of 100 billion paper national currencies. So this big discrepancy between the fiat currency collected and stable coin amount, stablecoin amount, like in crypto, in market capitalization of crypto market. Um, this is a hidden and very big issue in the crypto market. As I said, like the circle in the trading of the stocks ends with people finally transferring their uh, holdings from their account of like ordinary stock exchange back to their bank account. And people like the transfer from ordinary stock exchange to a bank account does not involve other conversions. Once people have their holdings into their account, their holdings are in actual national currency of the specific stock exchange. Compare this with the crypto market, and in the crypto market we have the we have conversion of coins or tokens to stable coins, and the final step it involves conversion from stablecoin to fiat currency and transfer back to the account of the holder of the cryptocurrency. So as I said, currently very few people they do this conversion back from cryptocurrency to stable coins and from stable coins to fiat currency. The final step, conversion from stable currency to fiat currency, is done by very few people. So currently it is possible to do a conversion back by a small group of people, and they could get the value of their holdings converted from for example from bitcoins to stable coins like USDC, and conversion back from USDC to US dollars back to their bank account. If the group of people doing this is small, actually people can do this conversion and they can get the full value of their crypto holdings. But if the group of people increases and this group starts conversion back from stable coins to fiat currency to get back their holdings into fiat currency, they can find that at some point in the conversion, with the number of people, they can exceed the number of dollars. For example, Circle is holding into their account, and as I did describe previously, 85% of the holdings of Circle, for example, they are held in U.S. government treasuries. This means that supposedly only 50% are held into dollars, which are ready to be exchanged, to be repaid back for people exiting the crypto market, and only 50% of the holdings of Circle could be return back to people who want to cash out of the crypto market. So if the group of people wanting to cash back exceeds the amount of dollars that Circle is holding, if they exceed this supposedly 15%, then people would find that Circle is going to be unable to return currency back to their accounts, to their bank accounts. And so they're not able to do this because they have their holdings into US government treasuries. Essentially, they have to wait till the maturity of these US government treasuries, and at that point they could actually return money back to the holders of cryptocurrency. So we're assuming that all the holdings are in US government treasuries, but actually these stablecoin issuers may be doing their holdings in other forms as well. And the other forms includes issuing loans to other businesses or people who want to get, for example, a mortgage and buy a house. But this is not publicly known of what exactly is happening with the fiat holdings of a specific stable coin issuer or a specific crypto exchange. So I was describing the issues and the hidden things and the potential problems which the crypto market could be having. So we're nearing the end of our event, and I'm going to wrap this event very soon. For those of you who joined a little bit later, I like to tell you that my name is Paul Arsov. I'm the founder of the Decentralized Web project. We're building a decentralized communication and advertising platform. We have a decentralization software engine which is not based on blockchain technology, and it allows direct communication from user to user without using a server. So this is the essence of decentralization: direct communication without going through a server. Like I mentioned, that our decentralization software engine is not based on blockchain technology, but we have our own blockchain instance, and we have a cryptocurrency token which play just a support role for our project. The blockchain, it holds the tokens which are issued for as incentives for users for our project to use to become user and to invite our other users and to view advertising and etc. So to make it interesting for our project, we organize events like this, and at the end of this event, as we are wrapping up this event, I like to mention our next and upcoming event, which is on the topic of tokens everywhere. Real, tangible, and hyped crappy tokens. So we are going to talk about tokens and what makes a token real and tangible, and what makes it crappy or hyped up. So you can join our next event either on Twitter Space or on Instagram Live. I'm looking at the questions or comments, and I'm not seeing questions or comments posted. So I will be wrapping this event. Thank you for coming to this event. You're welcome to come to our next and upcoming events. You're welcome to join our community and to find our communities. You can go to our website, which is decentralizedweb.org. Decentralized and web, they're all together.org. On the bottom of every page of our website, you can see the icons of the social networks, and like we're active and we're focusing very much on Instagram, we're focusing on Twitter, and we're focusing on Telegram as well. You're welcome to come to our educational events on Saturdays on Twitter Space, Sundays on Instagram Live, and Ask Me Anything sessions and demo days, which are happening on Thursdays on Telegram in text, on Google Meet in video and audio, and on Twitter Space on audio only. Thank you for coming to this event. Have a nice day, have a nice evening, and goodbye.